Hey, what's up, everyone? I just received this herb haven growing kit from the brand ROOTCRAFT to try out and kind of give you a video review of it. Now, I've always been known to have a black thumb, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to walk you step by step on how we're going to do this. I think the first step is to actually take a little piece of the shell off of the seed so that the water can soak into the embryo of the seed, and then that way it'll have a faster and better germination rate. So we're going to try that right now. All right, so here's a basil seed. You're going to take about 3 to 4 of these and just kind of nip the little shell off so that the water can get in. All right, so I kind of gave up on just clipping the shellings because these seeds are just way too small. The next step is to get warm water up to 122 degrees. This is close enough. And you're going to want to soak it for 24 hours. So the next step is to pour some water onto these soil discs. They're supposed to expand 6 to 7 times their original size. So let's see how that looks. Next step is to drain any excess moisture. Time to fill it up. Also, I forgot to use this earlier to break up the soil, but you can do that as well to mix it and also to break up the soil. I've already placed all the soil into the pots, and now I'm ready to add the seeds. They recommend only 3 to 4 seeds per pot, and to use your little finger to do a 1/2 inch depth and then add the seed to each one. So I'm going to do that now. All right, time to add the seeds. You're only supposed to do 1 per hole. Some of them I might do 2 just because I know I have a black thumb and some of them may not germinate. But after you place the seeds in, you add the additional soil on top of it. They do recommend not pressing into it, so it needs a lot of space in order for the air to flow in, moisture and everything for it to grow. You can use these little pliers that came with the set. All right, time to top it off. All right, for the next 3 days, you'll want to keep it watered. It does include a mister bottle, so you want to keep it moist over the next 3 days out of direct sunlight. And then after that, you want to move to a sunny location, and it might take about 10 to 25 days for it to really germinate and start growing. So don't get discouraged if it doesn't start growing right away. I'm gonna do an update video to kind of show you if I was successful or not. But the key is keeping it moist and not too wet. You want to make sure there's good drainage at the bottom. If water does seep to the bottom of the plastic of this box, then you want to wipe that off and then place the pot back in there. But hope you all found this helpful and have a great one.